Outro, welcome back. In the last video, we saw how MCP analyses your portfolio and gives you clear, actionable insights. Let's start with the sell recommendations from our last analysis. MCP flagged a few penny stocks: RHFL, Dish TV, Vickers Life, Vickers Eco, and Rajnish, as weak positions that add unnecessary risk. So let's act on that advice. Order prompt. I'll simply give MCP a prompt. Place a sell order for one share each of RHFL, Dish TV, Vickers Life, Vickers Eco, and Rajnish. Processing, and that's it now. MCP is taking care of it. Orders placed confirmation. And here you can see on the right, MCP has queued all the sell orders inside my Pocketful wallet. All 5 sell orders have been successfully placed as AMO after-market orders, since the market is closed right now. They're visible right here in the Pending Orders tab of your Pocketful wallet. Order summary. You also get a ready order summary from MCP with all the key details right here on your screen. Outro. And that's it. Within a few seconds, MCP has turned analysis into action. This is just one example of how Pocketful can elevate your investing journey. We'll meet you in the next video with another amazing feature.